Disclaimer: this video is created for educational purpose. Before taking any investment, please consult with your financial advisor.
I am educating technicals through my membership. So if you are interested to join my membership, please click this join button. Hello friends, in this video I am going to analyze a few indices in technical perspective. So the first one is Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 we were expecting a bounce back at exactly at 22,000. So it has nearly happened, and also with that there was a bounce back of nearly 1,400 points in Nifty, and also this trend line is clearly broken in the weekly chart. And also with that here we have discussed about one long trend line. The trend line is actually broken nearly for 3 weeks. It is hold below that level. In the last week there was a clear bounce back above this particular trend line, so that in the upcoming weeks either we can expect some kind of a decent up move, or else we can expect some kind of a retesting up to this particular line. So because of that we may be seeing some kind of a smaller selling pressure up to 23,000, and right now that means doing a investment or a trading based upon this technical view will be some kind of risky, because we are expecting an important bounce back exactly at 22,000. That bounce back is nearly happened, so it is actually in between level. So we are very near to the next level of resistance. The first level of resistance is actually at 23,800. The next level of resistance is actually at 24,200 and 24,800. So it is actually trading exactly in between 24,800 and 22,000. So that if you are trying any kind of options, or if you are doing any kind of trading based upon this technical view, that means on the higher side, it will be very risky. So please don't trade right now. Just try to book some kind of decent profits during this up move. So I am expecting some kind of a selling pressure once it reaches the high, either at 24,800 or 25,200, or exactly at this particular selling zone. And or else if it is falling from here indirectly towards 22,000, then here we are having support up to 21,700. If 21,700 is broken, then we can expect some kind of a severe selling pressure like what it has happened over here. But I'm expecting some kind of a long sideways. I'm nearly saying this kind of long sideways nearly for the past 6 to 7 months. Actually it is more than 7 months, but here we have expected some kind of a slow selling pressure. It is exactly happened. Similarly, I'm expecting the same kind of selling pressure if it is falling from the any levels. The next one is Bank Nifty. So we are expecting a double bottom exactly at this particular level, that is 47,800, and the same view, it is exactly happened. We are expecting up to this particular peak, it is exactly reached, and right now it is a longer double bottom. So based upon this longer double bottom, we can expect up move up to this particular level. So right now nearly 50,000 should be acting as the important support. If it is breaking 50,000, we can expect some kind of a retesting up to this particular trend line also. The next one is Nifty IT. We were expecting a bounce back exactly at this particular zone in the higher levels. When it was trading at this peak, we were expecting a bounce back in this particular level. It is exactly happened. And if you are trading in IT stocks, or if you are doing any investment in IT stocks, this is the first level, and this one will be the second level to focus IT stocks. I'm just indicating my technical view. If you are doing any investment, please take your own decision. The next one is Nifty Next 50. Here also there was a clear breakout in the weekly chart, and I'm just indicating this kind of indices only in weekly chart in this particular video, because we may expect some kind of a selling pressure, or else it cannot be a selling pressure, it may be a retesting. So we can expect a retesting in the current week or in the upcoming 2 or 3 more weeks. And the next one is Nifty 500. Here also there was a clear breakout. So this one was a false breakdown. So because of that, we are expecting up to this particular trend line, and also we were expecting a breakout. So this exactly happened. So right now it can retest this particular trend line. The next one is Sensex. So here Sensex is exactly reached the important resistance. So this trend line was the very long trend line. We were expecting a bounce back in this particular level. It is exactly happened, and also right now it is trading at the important resistance. So because of this Sensex view, I'm expecting some kind of a selling pressure or slow sideways for the next 2 or 3 weeks in the all indices. The next one is Nifty Midcap. So here it is actually tried to break this particular support trend line just in the weekly candle, but even though if it is breaking this line, we cannot expect some kind of a clear breakout in the upcoming weeks. If it is breaking this trend line again, then only we can expect a decent up move. But even though it may retest this particular support trend line, even though if it is giving some kind of a decent up move, we can expect some kind of a retesting up to this particular support trend line. Then if it is moving higher, we can expect up to this particular peak, because here this entire move can be a false breakout, so false breakdown. So because of that, we can expect the up move to this particular level. The next one is Nifty small cap. So here we were expecting some kind of a head and shoulder formation. It is exactly happened. It is an inverted head and shoulder. The level was clearly broken in the weekly chart. Right now, the level 14,675 should be acting as the important support, and it can retest up to this particular level. If it is retesting this level, it can fall another 500 or 600 points in small cap stocks. The next one is Dow Jones. So we were expecting a fall up to this particular level. It is exactly happened. After that, we are expecting some kind of a retesting up to this particular peak. It is also exactly happened. So right now it is trading exactly on the support place. If it is breaking this red candle low, we can expect a severe fall up to this particular support line, or else it can, if it is breaking this red candle high, we can expect some kind of a decent up move. So it is looking like a bullish harami. So if it is a bullish harami, we can expect a up move once it is breaking this red candle high. The next one is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq 100, it is exactly trading at the important support level, but the support was already broken in the day chart, and right now it is retesting. So it is actually created a doji candle on the last week. So if this doji candle high and low is the important level right now. If it is breaking the doji candle high, we can expect the up move up to 21,000. If it is breaking this doji low, and also if it is breaking this red candle low, we can expect a fall up to 18,430. Then we can expect up to 17,000. So if it is reaching 17,000, it will be a very drastical fall, and also with it, that will be perfect level to focus Nasdaq based shares in the long term. The next one is S&P 500. Here we were expecting a selling pressure from this peak. It is exactly happened, but the support level we have discussed is not yet reached, and before that, 5,500 has acted as an important support, and also with it there was a bounce back in the last week, and I'm expecting a selling pressure up to this particular level, or else it can move higher towards the retesting point of this particular green candle low. That can be 5,780 or 5,800. The next one is gold. So gold is creating a some kind of a inverted hammer, or else we can call it as shooting star. So either it can be an inverted hammer, or else it can be a shooting star, but it is actually some kind of a bearish candle. So because of that, there was a decent move from this bottom towards this peak. So because of that, we can expect some kind of a smaller selling pressure, and also with that, if you're checking in day chart, here also there was a clear reversal has happened, and also with that, right now we are having a support exactly at 86,450. That support can be acted as an important support. If it is breaking the support, then the major support is exactly at 84,600 to 84,500. So if it is breaking that particular support, this entire move can be considered as a false breakout, because here there was a clear consolidation. So that consolidation is broken, and also with it, that peak level should be acted as the important support. If it is not acting as the important support, then if it is breaking the support level, the support of this consolidation, we can expect some kind of a severe selling pressure. That is what the technical is indicating. So if it is happening like that, then we can expect some kind of a decent selling pressure up to this particular peak, at least 79,800. Similarly, in gold in US dollars, we can expect the selling pressure if it is breaking this price level, that is 3,000. So 3,000 was my long-term target. Nearly I have fixed on last year March first week. That target is reached, and right now it is acting as the support on the last week. If that support is broken in the weekly closes basis, we can expect some kind of a decent selling pressure up to $2,850, and the best level is 2,725. So that level can be reached, because here also it is showing some kind of a clear reversal sign. If it is breaking 3,000 in the weekly basis, that means if it is closing below $3,000 in weekly candle, we can expect some kind of a decent selling pressure. The next one is silver. So silver, there was a clear breakout over here. After that, there was a decent up move, and in this up move, my first level of target is reached, and right now it is coming for retesting. So 96,450 should be acting as the important support. If it is closing below that, we can expect some kind of a decent selling pressure in silver also. So initially it can fall up to 87,150. If it is breaking that level, that is 87,000, we can expect a decent selling pressure up to 79,000. So that's all about this today's video. Thank you for watching.